Hi folks, I'm from GalaxyS5Root.com for this week's Sprint Galaxy S5 ROM of the week. Do check out MOAR ROM, mother of all ROMs, that's what MOAR stands for, by XCA user RompNit. I've been actually using his ROMs with, I think, my Sprint S3, Sprint Note 2. He makes some excellent stable ROMs with excellent stability, performance. You do have a choice. It does come with a ROM installer that will allow you to choose a bunch of stuff. One of those is the launcher. I've got the 5x5 launcher, which I really like. It is fast out of the box. I really like it. Let me go ahead and show you some of the cool features. Number one, what is really cool about this ROM, you'll get quad multi-window feature, which is just built in. So let's say I open up Gmail and my browser here, and if you want to open up more stuff for some reason, you can go ahead and do that and have a full quad multi-window, which also you can resize. Very nice stuff. So that is very nice. And let me go ahead and show you. There is a bunch of themes you can get with this ROM, and I'll show you all of that here. If you go into settings, you'll find this thing called MOAR Mod Control. This is the core of the ROM, and it will allow you to do all kinds of stuff. And let me walk you through status bar settings, custom clock settings. You can change the clock. I like to have it in the center there, and I do like to have a weekday. Sometimes I don't know what time it is or what day it is. Also, you can adjust this if you want to any color you want. Let me try that real quick. All these colors you can change up here, even the background of the status bar. So that is a nice way to customize just the way you want it. Also, battery icon. Let's go check out all these different battery icons. CM battery if you want, C style, a bunch of great stuff. You can also hide the battery. So how will you be able to see the battery? You will be able to use, you should be able to use a battery bar. Actually, there is no battery bar on this one, I think. Let me go ahead and just put this back to custom circle here. And let's actually go to pull down options. This is your pull down options here, and that's what it looks like right now. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, I can't get rid of these. You'll see a bunch of stuff here that you can actually activate. Brightness slider. If you don't need the widget, it'll go away. If you need it, you can go ahead and click it on, which will show you how much CPU is actually being used at the same time. You can also change the colors. A custom carrier text. I've got it Sprint here. You can change that to high on. Oops. High. Sorry, I'm at an angle with the camera. That's why sometimes I miss it. There we go. High on Android. Cool stuff there. That's pretty basic customization just for the UI. Toggle options, number of toggles shown. You can change this. Right now it's I think at 6 or something, and now I can show more toggles. So very nice stuff. Lock screen options, ink effects. If you want AOSP lock screen, you can go ahead and do that. Also, let's go to power menu extended. You can go ahead and enable flashlight screenshot, which I think is very good. Easy access to your flashlight there, and also easily turn it off, or also easily take screenshots without having to use the buttons. Let's go actually look at miscellaneous mods here. There is call recording enabled on this phone, which is nice. So you can get call recording if you need it. Wallpaper scrolling, infinite scrolling. You can also get a bunch of different themes. I think there's like 12 different themes. Yeah, there's about 9, 12, 14 different themes. So you can go ahead and change it to Xperia if you want, without having to actually buy a Sony Xperia. You'll be able to change the UI. Very nice stuff there. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the rest of the options here. If you go to Noobs Extras, you can get AOSP weather widget, Pi controls on board. This is very nice stuff. Super SU. It does come with Expose installer and a modules. Expose app settings, which allows you to run your favorite apps in custom DPI, tablet mode, phone mode, all that good stuff. I do have a full tutorial guide on that. I don't really mess with the Greenify that much since the battery on the S5 is pretty good, and also you do have the ultra power saving mode. What else is cool? There's LG keyboard. If you want it, you can change that under language and input there, and go ahead and change this to LG keyboard. Then you'll be able to get LG keyboard on your Galaxy S5. So very nice stuff. LG keyboard is pretty nice, not too bad. What else is there? Oh yeah, the hotspot is working out of the box. So all you have to do is just turn it on. Where's my hotspot? Also, download booster is working. Wi-Fi calling is working, of course. Hotspot, just turn it on, set it on, and forget it. So you don't have to worry about it. So that is very, very nice. What else is there? Oh, there's also loud sound mod. You can choose an aroma installer from a couple different choices. Let me actually go ahead and show you that next, which is probably interesting. And you can see all of these different options, and of course you got nice restart menu. I really like this, makes it simpler than using your buttons. And let me actually go ahead and also show you how to install it while we're at it, which is pretty much straightforward. Just go into your clock room recovery. If you like Torp, just go in there, do a data wipe, install the ROM, and you should be go. Now if you want to do a dirty flash, which is doing it without a wipe data factory reset, that can work since this is based actually on Sprint firmware. So what I would do is actually make a backup ROM and then just install ROM over it. You can try that, and if it doesn't work, then you can do wipe data factory reset, and you don't have to reinstall the ROM. It'll just reset everything, and then you just have to reboot. There we go. More, just find the MOAR ROM, just install it. You get the aroma installer. And there we go. I think this is a great ROM, especially because the developer has been making, here we go, you can keep it dirty here. I'm going to keep it dirty. Now if you do change options after installing ROM, you can keep it dirty and then install it. That should work also. This is where you can choose the TouchWiz launcher 5x5. I would highly recommend. You can also get Smart Launcher, AOSP 4.4, KitKat launcher, Solo launcher. My favorite is actually Nova launcher. That's what I use. Also volume out, I was talking about mild, loud. I would just go about loud. Extreme, it's a little bit blaringly loud, but if you use your phone as speakerphone or speakers, then you can try that. That's pretty much options, and do check it out for this week's ROM leak. And I'm actually gonna quit installation here because I like the way it is. But do check it out for this week's ROM of the week, MOAR ROM, and don't forget to donate to the developer of this ROM, ROM-knit, if you like this ROM, and use it as a daily driver. And don't forget to check out these cases, Plz Like cases, very nice. If you don't have insurance, you should definitely get a case, because you know what? I swear I've never broken a Samsung phone except just once, but it's those one time that it breaks, it's gonna break your bank. So definitely get a case with a lip, or if you like the flip cases, those can work too. But I really like these because these, if you drop it like this, it still protects your screen. And I've done a bunch of drop tests with this case on other phones, and you know what I'm talking about. So definitely get a case if you don't have one. Plz Like, definitely the way to go. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my email list at galaxys5root.com, and I will see you guys soon. And thanks guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button below here to get more cool ROM reviews, tips, tricks, and more. And also check out video of the week over here if you haven't yet. And as always, stay on Android.